Welcome children. Continuation of exercise 8.1 application of integrals. 10th one, find the area bounded by the curve x square equal to 4y and the line x equal to 4y minus 2. So x square equal to 4y represents parabola open upwards and the vertex is at 0, 0. And the line x equal to 4y minus 2. So when x is 0, we get 4y equal to 2. So y equal to 2 by 4, y equal to half. Then when y is 0, we get x is equal to minus 2. So when x is 0, y equal to half. When x is minus 2, y is 0. When x is 2, then 4y minus 2 equal to 2, 4y equal to 4, then y equal to 1. So when x is 2, y equal to 1. So we have to join these points. So this line is x equal to 4y minus 2. We have to find this shaded region. We have to find the area of the shaded region. Now we have to find the point of intersection by solving the curve and the line. Here the curve is x square equal to 4y and x is equal to 4y minus 2. X equal to 4y minus 2. So 4y is x plus 2. So I am writing this as x square, writing 4y as x plus 2. So x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Factorizing this, the product is minus 2. So 2 into 1. So minus 2 into 1, which is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1. So sum is minus 1 and product is minus 2. So x minus 2 and x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 2 and x equal to minus. So when x is 2, substituting here, x equal to 4y minus 2. So 4y equal to x plus 2. So y equal to x plus 2 by 4. So substituting x as 2, we get 4 by 4, which is 1. When x is 2, y is 1. When x is minus 1 plus 2 by 4, which is 1 by 4. So the point of intersection are minus 1, 1 by 4. So this point. And when x is 2, y is 1. So 2, 1. So this point is 2, 1. So we have to find the area of shaded region. So when we subtract parabola from the line, we get the required area. Here the coordinates of x are, so this point minus 1, 0 and this is 2, 0. Hence the limits are minus 1 to 2, subtracting parabola from a line. So y dx line and the limit is from minus 1 to 2 minus integral of y dx parabola, limit is minus 1 to 2. So line is x equal to 4y minus 2. So we can write this as 4y equal to x plus 2, y equal to x plus 2 by 4. So which is equal to 1 by 4 of x plus 2 into dx integral of minus 1 to 2 minus of integral of minus 1 to 2. Parabola is x square equal to 4y. So y equal to x square by 4. So 1 by 4 of x square dx. Now we have to integrate this. So x dx, when we integrate x square by 2, so which is equal to 1 by 4 x square by 2 plus when we integrate 2 dx, it is 2x. So limit is minus 1 to 2, minus of 1 by 4. Integration of x square dx, which is x power 3 by 3. Limit is from minus 1 to 2. So which is equal to upper limit minus lower limit 1 by 4 of upper limit is 2. So 2 square by 2. 4 by 2, which is 2, plus 2 into 2. 4 minus lower limit is minus 1. So minus 1 whole square is plus 1. So 1 by 2 plus 2 into minus 1, which is minus 2. Minus 1 by 4 of x power 3 by 3. Upper limit is 2. So 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 8 by 3 minus 1 whole power 3 is minus 1 by 3. So minus into minus plus 1 by 3. So which is equal to 1 by 4 of 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 minus half minus 2. So taking LCM, 1 minus 4 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus into minus plus 3 by 2. So plus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4 of 8 plus 1 9 by 3. 9 by 3 is 3. So 1 by 4 into 3. So 3 by 4. So which is equal to 1 by 4. Here taking LCM, 12 plus 3 15 by 2. So 15 by 2 minus 3 by 4. So taking LCM, 15 by 8 minus 6 by 8. So which is equal to 9 by 8 square units. Hence the required area is 9 by 8 square units. 11th one, find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to 4x and the line x equal to 3. Here the curve y square equal to 4x is the equation of the parabola which is open rightwards. So I have drawn rightwards parabola which is symmetrical about x-axis and its vertex is 0, 0. And AB, which represents the line x equal to 3. So required area, which is equal to twice of y into dx. Here we are going to find the curve in the first quadrant, which is 2 times of, as it is symmetrical about x-axis. So 2 into y dx, and the limit is from 0 to 3. So y square equal to 4x. So y is 2 times of root x. So root x we can write as x power half. So I am writing this as 2 into integral of 0 to 3. So 2 into x power half is y. So I can write this as 4 x power half dx. So integrating using formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So taking this to the numerator, which is 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2. So limit is from 0 to 3. So which is 8 by 3, upper limit minus lower limit, 3 power 3 by 2. So 3 power 3 by 2. So 3 cube is 27, which is equal to 8 into 8 by 3 into 27 power half. So square root of 27 is 3 root 3. So which is equal to 8 by 3 into 3 root 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So required area is 8 root 3 square units. So 12th question, area lying in the first quadrant and bounded by the circle x square plus y square equal to 4 and the lines x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. Here x equal to 0 and x equal to 2, and equation of the circle is x square plus y square, which is equal to 2 square. So radius is 2. So this is 2. So 2 comma 0. Line x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. So we have to find this required area. As this area lying in the first quadrant So required area is from 0 to 2. So 0 to 2 y into dx. So y square, which is equal to 2 square minus x square. So y equal to square root of 4 minus x square. So otherwise 2 square minus x square. So which is equal to 0 to 2 root of 2 square minus x square dx. So using the integrals of the type root of a square minus x square, which is equal to x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. So which is equal to x by 2 root of 2 square minus x square plus a square by 2. A square is 4. So 4 by 2, cancelling this we get 2. Sine inverse of x by a, limit is from 0 to 2. So upper limit minus lower limit, which is equal to x by 2. 2 square minus 2 square, which is 0. So 2 into sine inverse of x is 2. Here a is 2. So 2 by 2 is 1. So sine inverse of 1 minus lower limit. So 0 by 2, which is 0, plus 2 into sine inverse of 0 by 2, so which is 0. So which is equal to 2 into sine inverse of 1 is sine pi by 2. So sine inverse of sine pi by 2 is pi by 2. So 2 into pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 0 is 0. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, which is equal to pi square units. So required area is pi square units. So this is the MCQ questions. The option A is correct. 13th one, which is an MCQ questions. Area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to 4x, y-axis, and the line y equal to 3. So y square equal to 4x, a parabola which is open rightwards, and the vertex is 0, 0. So here it is given as y-axis and the line y equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. So we have to draw a line. We have to find this area. So area, which is equal to integral of x dy, and the limit is from 0 to 3. Here the line is y equal to 3. So this is 3, 0. So it's from 0 to 3. So it's given as y square equal to 4x. So x is equal to y square by 4. So which is equal to 1 by 4 of 0 to 3 y square dy. So integrating y square we get y power 3 by 3. Limit is from 0 to 3. So upper limit minus lower limit. So 1 by 4 into 3 is 12. So 1 by 12. Upper limit is 3. So 3 cube, which is 27 minus 0. So which is equal to 27 by 12 square units. So required area is 27 by 12 square units. So cancelling this, we get 3 by 4 square units. Hence the correct answer is B.